Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ecobee Thermostat, quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials. Ensure you have the Ecobee Thermostat, a screwdriver, and the mounting screws. Turn off your heating and cooling system at the circuit breaker. Remove your old thermostat from the wall carefully. Take a picture of the wiring to remember how to connect them later. Disconnect the wires from the old thermostat. If your existing thermostat has a C-wire, make sure you have it noted. If there's no C-wire, ensure your Ecobee package includes the power extender kit. Install the power extender kit if necessary, following its instructions. Now, take your Ecobee thermostat out of the box. Attach the mounting plate to the wall, aligning it with the existing holes. Secure the mounting plate with screws. Connect the wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of the Ecobee. Make sure each wire is connected securely. Gently push the excess wire back into the wall. Snap the Ecobee thermostat onto the mounting plate. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. The Ecobee will begin to power up and prompt you to set up your Wi-Fi connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the thermostat to your Wi-Fi network. Create or log into your Ecobee account when prompted. Once connected, customize your preferences. Set the date and time according to your location. Complete any additional settings as guided by the interface. Your Ecobee thermostat is now successfully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.